Okay, that's how.
Okay, using this key, we're opening now the bank beds.
From the very beginning.
Yeah.
Complete.
Okay, you need to be very careful because sometimes bank beds are going down so fast that
Oh,
it can
okay.
cause accident.
Malaki rin pala.
So that was in one is installed. We will not, touch anything.
Sigurado sa baba siya kasi mato. Pag nahalik.
There's the other one, guys.
There's another one here on this side.
So how to climb?
How to climb?
Yeah, because I already old days, my knees not good. You know, if you're.
Now, to climb up here,
Mm-mm.
it's your problem.
I saw stairs here. May kuan doon.
I'm just joking.
Yeah, I know.
So we have the
Okay.
staircase to heaven here.
Oh, so isa lang siya, baro-baro na lang. Ngayon, baro 1, baro 2.
No. I'll provide you another
Ah,
one.
okay. Akala ko iba, palitan.
Di ba ano paggabi?
Baka baba yung isa. Pahiram naman ako naman yan,
Alright,
Joe.
just to make sure that you hook it here like this.
Oh, okay.
Whatever it is.
Maybe whenever you hook it, that's the permanent.
Yes.
Yeah.
Make sure that it's safe. Okay?
Yeah, okay.
Attach. Girls, I will leave you and I'll come back later.
Okay, thank you, thank
But
you.
Sure, thank you.
My
Yeah.
name is Raymar Calma.
Okay.
but you can call
What's
me
your
Mark.
Mark? Okay.
Kalmang-kalma naman talaga.
Always
Oh,
calm. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay, so I'll come back later. And I'll
Okay, thank you, thank you. Let's go.